Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. We're here gonna get ready to drop the truck, man. I'm excited, but you know, first things first, I had to come get my coffee, man. Brian's Donuts, best place in Magnolia, promise you. Coffee, donuts, oh yeah. So gonna head to the shop right now, get ready to work on the F150. So let's go. Supposed to be working on the floor today, but ended up having like our own little car meet.
Our first car show. The only car that doesn't belong to us is the silver one and the midnight truck. But don't tell him that we're using his truck for the first car show we have. Let's go. Let's go fuck with Juan.
So, this is day 2 of building the motor. Juan was here Tuesday. He was here this past Tuesday. And I don't think he showered because he's wearing the same shorts and the same shirt. Put a picture up here, Juan. Put a picture up here, Alex. I guarantee he's wearing the shorts. I'm gonna ask him if he showered.
Didn't you say you were going to be here at 8:39 and you get here at 11? And then I asked him what time he's gonna leave? At 2. It's been like 6 months. Look at him. He can't even work standing up. He sits down. I think he likes your thighs.
I was clearing my throat.
Oh. Sure. Hey, did you pass through the car show?
No.
You didn't see the car show? Up front. In front of my house.
Oh no, I was watching the video.
You're watching a video and driving.
No, it's up here! There's no road here!
I don't even remember how I got here.
You want to go drive this truck?
Not right now.
Well, we're about to put on the lift.
I figured I was going to get to drive it anyways.
God, dude. It's like a fucking kid.
I'm working.
Bro, let's go real quick. Come back.
No, I'm focused on this. That's what the video I was watching was.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today
It's fresh in my mind right now.
Okay, don't record.
Right?
Make sure to edit that.
I was watching the YouTube.
I was literally watching the YouTube how to cook this
I was
guy.
watching on YouTube of what to do when you fuck up on Super Midget.
Ey yo. Y va de nuevo mi Tony.
Camarada, somos la santa carnal.
AGW Beats. Oye, DJ Lundeca en los scratches. Desde alzada mi perro. No saben quién soy o sí. Oye, dice, es el Lefty papá. Soy mexicano, esa es mi bandera. Yo la levanto por donde quiera. Verde, blanco, rojo hasta que muera. El barrio prendido ya. Verde, blanco, rojo hasta que muera. El barrio prendido ya quemó afuera. Me voy tendido, me voy empinando mi bote. Un poco mareado por la bebida y el borlote. Me tiene hasta la riata la gente con su mitote. Pero me despreocupo, me pelan todo el garrote.